with 54 votes in the affirmative, 1 in the negative, and 0 abstention, the chair declares the sufficiency in substance of Zabala et al. Impeachment complaint. So ruled. No one is objecting?
Objection, Madam.
An objection has been registered by the Honorable Suntay, which means we will proceed to vote. Those who are in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. Can you higher your hands just to make sure that the Secretariat will come up with an accurate counting? Secretariat, are you okay? Kong Dumogan is here and raising his hand as well. Oh, you may now put down your hands. Those who are not in favor of the motion, those who are not in favor of the motion, please raise your right hand. It's okay. Those who abstain, please raise your right hand. All right, so that concludes the voting. Secretariat, the result, please. For the record, the Honorable Renego just came and she's registering as well.